So here it is, the Lamborghini SC18 Alston. An unbelievably good looking car, a one-off special project by Lamborghini. Under this lies an Aventador SVJ, which we actually have a green one sat over there. Now this taking a completely different take on the SVJ, despite it actually being the same car underneath. This still features the exact same naturally aspirated V12 producing 759 horsepower sat in the back. Now the Alston, an amazing one-off project by Lamborghini, having of course the same wheelbase as the SVJ, but every single body panel being replaced. This is very heavily inspired by Lamborghini's track cars such as the Huracan Super Trofeo. Now I personally think this is absolutely amazing. It really reminds me of the Veneno, and I think that's especially apparent due to the colours, the red contrasting against the grey, and then with loads of extra carbon details such as on the wing mirrors and down these side panels here. Also these wheels are a one-off for this car, really holding the car together and making it totally unique. Now I want to know what the owner did to get this car. It hasn't been unveiled who the owner is, but he's definitely one lucky guy. But he must have bought a range of Lamborghinis and also made them very, very happy to make him worthy of having this produced. But the back is my favourite element. If you look at the slats on the roof, very Sesto Elemento Veneno-esque, with the same sort of wing style as the SVJ. As you can see back there, the SVJ in the background as a Brabham BT62 goes past. Supercar paddock is so lively here at Festival of Speed, but as I said, the back really reminds me of the Veneno, but you can really see how it's taken inspiration from the SVJ, which we have for reference in the background, with the dual exhaust jetting out the back. Very cool car, and I personally absolutely love this thing. You can see how the wing is actually mounted a bit further down as well to the SVJ, all this being in carbon fibre, no expense spared here from Lamborghini. I can't imagine how expensive this car would have been to produce, and well, for the client to buy as well. If we come round to the front, now this as well, really reminiscent of the Veneno. You can see the one-off sort of styling that Lamborghini takes is just incredible, so aggressive. I thought the SVJ was an insanely aggressive car, but this just adds another level. It's so nice. The front as well, sort of Reventon-esque, but everything tied together so nice with the red accents. This works so well. I wish this car was actually a production car. It would be cool to see more of these, but it is amazing. Lamborghini always bringing a collection of special one-off projects here to Festival of Speed. Of course, in the previous years they brought a Centenario as well as a Centenario Roadster, and I never expected to see this car unveiled about half a year ago now, but I didn't even know that this thing was fully complete with an engine at this point. Absolutely incredible. Of course, the name there on the top, Alston. This thing is so unique and so special. You can also see as well some sort of reminiscent to the SVJ with the little tricolore flag on the side there. A seriously cool car. I also like how Pirelli have provided some P0 tyres with the red tyre writing to match the spec of the car. All round, this thing is absolutely perfect. You have to let me know down below, are you a fan of this car, or do you think it's a bit too over the top? I know a lot of people said the SVJ was a little bit too extreme, a little bit too bonkers styling, but I personally think that this just works.